right, good morning, fourth graders. We are in lesson 49 in math today. So word problems and story problems are the same. About equal groups, this is the first part. Over here I'll put what the pages or the page numbers for your work today and then what problems. So today you're doing the even problems on those pages. All right, so pause me if you need to. I'm going to go ahead and start talking about equal groups. All right, so in this lesson, we're going to practice solving word problems about equal groups. Problem with an equal group plot, because it is a word problem or a story problem, can be solved using a multiplication formula. Okay, so A bought 3 cartons of eggs. There were 12 eggs in each carton. Altogether, he bought 36 eggs. All right, so here are our eggs. So there's our picture, right? 3, this is a carton of eggs. There are 3 of them. In this problem, there are equal groups. The equal groups are cartons of 12 eggs. So here's how we can solve this using a formula. All right, so our formula, number in each group times the number of groups equals our total. So we're going to copy that into our math notebooks. So number in each group times the number of groups. That equals our total. Okay. So in this case, there's 12 in each group. So 12 eggs. There are 3 containers, or cartons. So there are a total of 36 eggs. All right. Okay. So you can do it vertical or you can do it horizontal. Up to you. I know most of us in here do it vertically. That will work great. Just show your work. So we multiply the number in each group by the number of groups to find the total. And if we want to find the number of groups, then we divide. We have to reverse it. All right, so Tyrone has 5 cans of tennis balls. There are 3 tennis balls in each can. How many tennis balls does Tyrone have? Okay, so the words in each are a clue. In each means that it's an equal group plot. So in each means that it's an equal group plot. So we write the number and the words that go with in each on the first line. So the number in each group is 3. So there are 3 tennis balls in each. I'm going to abbreviate that, TB. There are 3 tennis balls in each can. And then it says there are 5 cans. All right? So 5 cans. In each can, there's 3 tennis balls. So that's multiplication. 3 times 5 is going to give us 15. To write the answer, I will write the whole word out. That will give us 15 tennis balls. All right, so in each is a clue that we're going to be using multiplication. You can do it horizontal or vertical once again. All right, so 12 eggs equals a dozen eggs. So find the number of eggs that equals 5 dozen. Okay, so if 12 eggs equals 1 dozen, the number of eggs that equal 5 dozen, we're going to be also multiplying. So we have, it says 12 eggs are in a dozen, right? Times, and then it says they have 5 dozen. So once again, we're going to multiply. So I'm going to write 12 eggs in a dozen, 5 dozen. So this we can do as 2 by 1 digit multiplication. 5 times 2 is 10. Carry our 1. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 more is 60. That might also be a fact that you know. So there are 60 eggs in 5 dozen. Okay, here we go. So 60 eggs. 1 human foot who has 26 bones. How many bones are in 2 human feet? Okay, another way to help if you're stuck. So you can also draw pictures. So I'll solve this one and then I'll show you what I mean. So there are 26 bones in each foot. We have 2 feet. Most of us have 2 feet. So we're going to multiply to figure out how many bones we have total. All right, so I'm going to use my different colors. 6 times 2, 12. Carry our 1. We go diagonal. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 more is 5. So 52 feet or 52 bones? 52 bones in 2 feet. Okay, so we have 52 bones in our feet. Now it says estimate, so I'm okay if you solve it. Just do it exactly how it says. You can also round, and you can round 26 to 25. That's an easy compatible number we can use. All right, so you're welcome to do this as well. I'm just going to walk you through this one. If you would like to do it this way, 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 more is 5. So it would be about, that symbol means about 50 bones. Okay. Pictures. This one's a little harder to do pictures for. That's a lot. So this one you could, though. They say there's 5 cans, so I can draw 5 rectangles to represent my cans. In each can, there's 3 tennis balls. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then you can count 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. You're also going to get 15. So if you're struggling with the multiplication part, you can use pictures to help you. That is fine. All right, we're going to do just one more, I think. All right, there are 8 birds in each. Keyword right there. In each flock. There were 6 flocks. How many birds were there in all? All right, so we have 8 birds. It says there were 6 flocks. In each tells us we're multiplying. So 8 times 6, this is one you can use your multiplication chart for. If you just know it, you can 48. Now I have to look back to see what it's asking. How many birds? So 48 birds in all. Okay. So same thing in each. 6 people in each car. You can also draw pictures to help. There were 9 cars. About how many people are there in the car? All right. So same. We'll do one more. So 6 people, 9 cars. How many people were there in the cars? So we're just multiplying 6 times 9, which is going to give us 54 people. Okay, in all. It's fine. All right, so there is your math lesson today.